Welcome back to my channel. My name is Rixie. You clicked in this video is because you are looking for an easy and safe laser routine at home, and I am mostly focused on my face, and I will go ahead and show you how I laser my face at home. As you see in this picture, it's important that we cool down the area so that the laser beams can penetrate the skin and be absorbed by the hair and convert it to heat, so that this can damage the hair follicle. It's important you start on small sections and on the lower setting in the beginning so that you don't burn yourself at home. It's also important that you shave your hairs first and then you laser. And to help permanently reduce your hair growth, you need a laser removal every 2 to 4 weeks for at least 6 to 12 treatments. And that's for the body. In the face, every 2 weeks is the best way to reduce hair growth. So yes, let's go ahead and begin. Here is a list of products that I'll be using, and everything will be linked down below. And the hero of this section is Silkin because they have the best kit for at-home removal for beginners. First, I'm gonna show you the products that I'll be using to wash the face and tone the face as well as moisturizing. So this is the fat water from Rihanna. Instantly refines the look of pores, reduces the look of dark spots, and evens the skin tone and adds some shine. It smells amazing. You don't need a lot, 1 drop is enough and you'll be finessed. The next product is the cleansing foam from Rihanna. This is not a typical product that you screw and put it on your skin, so it's important you squeeze it and take that 1 drop that is recommended and enough for you to remove makeup and to clean your face deeply. And it gets really foamy, and with 1 time your face is clean, and this product smells so good. I wash it with it every morning. The last product that I'll be showing you is the facial cream from Rihanna. Also need 1-2 drops and your face will be moisturized. This one also has sun protection 30, so yes, it's also good for the summer. So my laser routines are happening on Mondays at the moment. I did use quite a lot of foam this morning because I really needed it. I ended up falling asleep with my makeup on and I had all that residue from last night, so I just added a lot of product to make sure that all that makeup goes away. I like Rihanna's products because they last long, they smell amazing. It is like a smell of grapefruit. I like it that in the eyes they do not irritate and remove all the makeup, mascara and greasy stuff. As you can see, my face is washed, clean and ready for the next step, that will be applying the fat water. This fat water can be applied to a cotton pad if you wish to just kind of make sure that your skin is clean. I will be using the cotton pad this time because I wanted to make sure that my skin was clean, that there was no residue left, and there really wasn't anything left. But as I read the instructions, I noticed that you really don't need a cotton pad. All you need is just to go ahead, use that 1 drop and just apply directly to your face. Again, this fat water works as a serum. It's good to minimize the pores, it's good to lighten dark spots, and it's moisturizing and adds that shine. If I had to compare the fat water with the booster, I would say it's very similar to a vitamin C booster. So yeah, now you can see my face is washed and ready for the next step. The next step is applying a serum or a booster. I ended up getting this tester from Lâncome, the youth code, because I was shopping and they be giving you this sample, so I just decided to add that to the face to minimize the dark spots and also the fine lines I have around my my mouth. And yeah, I love this Lâncome youth code. I think it's definitely nice. It's not cheap, but it's definitely something that it's very good for the skin. But because of the price it being so high, I'm not gonna buy it. But it was nice to try it. You can notice that My lines around the mouth have been filled by the youth code, and it's also very lightweight, penetrates the skin very well, but it's not a cheap product and I don't see myself buying it, to be honest, but I loved it. Next is the facial cream with the protection 30 against sunburn. Also very nice, very lightweight under the makeup, and you can see like you don't need more than 3 drops and your face is coated. It's giving that glass look, that super moisturizing look that everyone is literally looking for. And yes, honestly, my review on Rihanna's products is 5 stars. Like the pricing, the amount in the product, and the amount that you need on the face is like so worth it. I've been having these products for many months and I'm really satisfied. Like that's something I really want to have. Also, when I go on holiday, it's something that I want to have. Rihanna offers, full size packaging as well as traveling packaging, so if you ever want to give it a try, it's definitely worth it. I recommend. So this is how my chin is looking like at the moment. I have very short hairs. There is a little bit of trapped hairs that I need to exfoliate, but yeah, today we are going to laser.
The first thing that we need to do before we laser the face or any type of the body, we need to like shave and wait till the hairs are like 1 millimeter, and then we use the machine. I'm just gonna shave right now, laser right now, and that's really what I've been doing. So I'm about to turn it on right here. I'm gonna put it on the second setting.
Before I start lasering, of course, I need to take off the layer of creams and booster that I put on that area. So it's important to use something cooling, and I chose the Ritual of Namaste, the toner, so that it will cool down this area. And I'm just gonna shave those little hairs that I have. Yeah, it's horrible to have facial hairs, especially because it gets in the way of getting a smooth surface for the makeup. So yes, if you are going through the same thing, I'm so sorry, and yeah, let's stay strong, let's do these routines, and eventually the hairs will never grow back. But it's important to be consistent and exfoliate a lot, wax, shave, and laser. I'm just demonstrating the motion of lasering.
So you have 2 options. You can do this on dry skin, or you can also just add some kind of serum to better like glide the machine. I know that you're probably familiar with the professional laser sessions, and they always have this super serum and they just drag in the machine. So this is something you can do with like a hyalurone based cream. Like with this hyalurone based cream, I have more room to kind of just like drag the machine however I want it, and it won't get there, it won't be sticky. And then I'm gonna go in with my laser machine, and yeah, praying for my life because this burns. It definitely burns. And that's really it. It feels like burned. And if you don't shave your hairs like properly, if the hairs are actually too long, you will smell the burn of a burned hair, which is fine, but of course it's not. Make sure that the hairs are not too long and that you have some kind of serum to drag the machine. That's why, otherwise it's like sticky. The skin to machine is very sticky. I always close my eyes because it's a laser machine. Laser rays is not fun. So yeah, I was like, nah.
This silken kit did not come with eyewear protection against laser rays, so I did close my eyes And again, you could see some laser beams. You could not see all of them because it doesn't always catch on camera, but I feel like a tingling sensation after lasering. And I also smell some of the hairs burned because some of them tend to stay longer regardless of shaving or not. After lasering, I just added the toner to refresh the area again, and then I added the same Hyaluron base cream because it's refreshing. And again, I felt the burn, I felt the tingling sensation. But yeah, I'm really happy. I definitely recommend you do this at home. Start with small sessions and be careful because some people out there burn themselves. Start with the lowest setting as well and be consistent. Good luck, baby. Thank you very much for watching. This video is perfect for beginners, so let me know in the comments down below how you felt and how it worked out for you. Don't be a stranger. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.